Good morning, children. You are welcome in class TY Basic. Today we are going to start the online classes as per the university guideline. I am going to teach you the paper number 12, plant physiology, in the semester 5th. In the plant physiology, syllabus includes the 4 units, and in the 4 units today I selected the topic importance of water in plant life. So unit name is plant water relations. So we know that the importance of water in plant life, we know that the importance of water in animal life, or water is required everyone. Water is life. This is the common sentence everybody knows, because we cannot live without the water. Near about 90% of water content in green plant, or even in the animals also. It play a very important role in all the activities of the plant life. Means whatever the activities, the growth, reproduction, photosynthesis, whatever the activities is taken place, that activities are taking place in the presence of water. Water is used for transpiration. Means when the water is evaporated from the plants, it carries the many nutrients from the soil to the various part of the plant, and that is used in the metabolic activities. Plant can synthesize the food in presence of water by the photosynthesis. Water help in maintain the turgidity of the cell and cell wall. So these are the common importance of the water. Now we'll see the detail. First point, water is essential for protoplasm for its proper organization and correct functioning for its content. For its content means there are the several content in the cell, that is the nucleus, mitochondria and vacuoles, all are the this content, and for the proper functioning are required the water, and that water is present in the protoplast. So for the proper functioning of the cell is required the water. Water is essential for movement of various dissolved solutions like the gases, minerals and organic solutions, etc. in xylem and phloem. Now we know that very well, all the nutrients are present in the soil, and when there is the rain, so all the nutrients is get dissolved, and that absorbs by the roots, and these absorbed nutrients, minerals, organic solutions, that all the carried to the various part of the plants. Various part of the plants means leaves, fruits, flowers, where there is the need, everywhere that is transported to the various part of the plant, and that are utilized for their metabolic activities like the photosynthesis and all, and production of the food. And elements to carry this water and minerals in the presence of water by the xylem and phloem. Means xylem and phloem are the way or pipeline in the plant to carries the water, and from the leaves the evaporations or transpirations is taken place. Third point, take part in metabolic reactions taking place in the cells. We have studied there are the several metabolic reactions is taken place in the plants for the production of enzymes for the productions of the proteins and for this production of the food this food material. So means main metabolic activity is the photosynthesis, and this photosynthesis is require the water, and this photosynthesis generally taken place into the leaves. Means in the leaves we can call as the factory to produce the food material, and for the production of the food material we need the water, and that water is carried from roots to the leaves in the presence of or by the xylem and phloems. Next point, fourth point, maintaining the rigidity of the cells. Rigidity of the cells means there are the vacuoles. This is in the figure number first. There is the vacuoles are present in the cell, and in these vacuoles the water, these vacuoles are filled with the water. Means they are creating the pressure from inner side, and this keep the cell wall or plasma membrane tight. So is called as the rigidity. Means is providing the rigidity. Means टाटरपणा जो असतो तो सेलसाठी किंवा प्लांटसाठी या ठिकाणी आवश्यक असतो आणि तो या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हाइड केला जातो. द अमाउंट ऑफ वॉटर मेंटेन्स इन anatomy means anatomy of the plant, means internal structure of the plants is also depends on the water. Depends on the water. If the water is less, the anatomy is become changed. If water is sufficient, then anatomy is properly will be there, means growth will be taken place properly. During the photosynthesis, water oxidizes and oxygen is produced. So when the photosynthesis is taken place, the water is oxidized, means breakdown, and is produces the oxygen, and that oxygen is released from the plants. So this is also the importance of water in the plants. If there is no water, no oxidation taken place, no oxygen is produced, means we will not get the oxygen. Then last point, water maintain the temperature of plant tissue. Water maintain the temperature of plant tissue. Now we know that in the environment suddenly temperature is increases, suddenly temperature is decreases. So if the sufficient water in the plant, it maintains the temperature. In the rainy season, in the summer season also we drink the plenty of water, because to make our body cool. So same way plant is also require the water to maintain their temperature. Okay, thank you.